Are you looking to keep your favorite song on repeat? This quick and easy guide will show you how to loop a song on Spotify Mobile in 2022. Whether you're at work, at the gym, or just hanging out at home, having your favorite track playing on a continuous loop is the best way to enjoy it. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start listening to your tunes non-stop. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Spotify app and then tap on the song that you like to loop. And now to the right, beside the skip button, you can see an arrow kind of going in circles, so that is the loop button. So go ahead and tap on it and that will loop this song. However, if you are on a playlist, this will loop the entire playlist. So, if you're on a playlist and want to loop the song you're currently listening to, tap on it again and it'll show you a 1, which means it'll only loop that song. So if you want to turn the loop off, tap on it again. So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.